Here's a bold prediction that might surprise you. India's population, currently the world's largest, is expected to stabilize by 2080, capping at around 1.8 to 1.9 billion people. But here's where it gets controversial. This stabilization is largely due to a sharp decline in the country's fertility rate, which has dropped below the replacement level of 2.1 to a mere 1.9. Is this a triumph of development, or a sign of deeper societal shifts? Let's dive in. India is undergoing a rapid demographic transformation, with birth rates plummeting over the past 2 decades. Anil Chandran, General Secretary of the Indian Association for the Study of Population, IASP, highlights a staggering fact. In 2000, India's total fertility rate, TFR, was 3.5, but today it stands at 1.9. This dramatic drop raises questions about the future of the world's most populous nation. Chandran emphasizes that all estimates point to India's population peaking below 2 billion, a far cry from earlier predictions of unchecked growth. So, what's driving this change? Chandran attributes the decline in fertility to rising development and education levels. Increased female literacy, in particular, has empowered women to make informed decisions about marriage and childbearing, leading to smaller families. And this is the part most people miss. Greater access to contraceptives and family planning services has played a pivotal role in accelerating this trend. Couples today are not just better informed but also have more control over their reproductive choices. Late marriages and expanding economic opportunities, especially for women pursuing careers, have further reshaped family planning. Chandran notes an intriguing pattern. Development is inversely proportional to birth rates. While illiterate groups still have fertility levels above 3, educated populations maintain a TFR between 1.5 and 1.8. Kerala stands as a shining example, achieving replacement level fertility, 2.1, as early as the late 1980s and now boasting a TFR of around 1.5. West Bengal tells a similar story. According to the Sample Registration System, SRS, Statistical Report 2023, the state's TFR has nosedived to 1.3 from 1.7 in 2013, a nearly 18% decline. This places West Bengal among the states with the lowest fertility rates in the country, alongside Tamil Nadu and just above Delhi. Interestingly, it also records the lowest urban TFR and the second lowest rural TFR nationally. But here's the flip side. While birth rates are falling, life expectancy is rising, thanks to improved healthcare. More people are living beyond 60, which brings its own set of challenges, particularly in elderly care. With younger generations migrating for work, solutions like elderly daycare facilities are gaining traction in policy discussions. Is India's demographic shift a cause for celebration or concern? On one hand, a stabilizing population could ease pressure on resources and infrastructure. On the other, an aging population poses unique challenges that require proactive planning. Chandran and the IASP, comprising 1,100 demographers and population scientists, are at the forefront of these discussions, supported by organizations like UNFPA, the Population Council, and the Population Foundation of India. As we reflect on these trends, a thought-provoking question emerges. Are we witnessing the end of India's population boom, or is this just the beginning of a new demographic era? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about what this means for India and the world.